my channel. I'm Rachel, the owner and creator here at the Eclectic Cottage in Spokane, Washington. Happy Saturday, you guys. I know I told you on Wednesday that I was going to try to have something for today's video, and I really had absolutely no time to get into my kitchen and get anything done in there. I've spent the last 3 days basically after the truck was unloaded on Thursday. That was at 10:30 in the morning. I spent the rest of the day kind of moving plants around and getting price tags ready, and then all day yesterday out lugging things around. And of course, when we offloaded the truck, I put all the peonies where the lilacs needed to be, and the lilacs were in the way of everything else, and so I had to do a bunch of shuffling to get everything organized, and that was the bulk of my day yesterday. And then today was pricing all of the smaller pots, and so I've got just a few left to do, but I am bushed, you guys, just done for. So I thought for today I would give you a little shop tour and a little tour of the nursery as well, just to kind of give you guys an idea what this place looks like, not at Christmas time, because I think that's the last shop tour I did, if I'm not mistaken, and also to just show you what the rest of this place looks like during the summer season. So I hope you guys like it, and without further ado, let's get to today's video. That is it from here for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the tour of the shop and of course getting to see all of the plants out in the nursery. It has been a lot of work to get that looking as good as it does right now, and we have yet another shipment of plants coming in tomorrow. So there will be more shuffling plants and pricing for me in the future. But for today, I think I'm going to go home and just relax for the rest of the night. Anyway, if you guys did enjoy the video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. I so appreciate that. And if you haven't already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and then just hit the little notification bell so you don't miss anything. And then drop a comment below and let me know, did you see anything in the shop that you really absolutely love? How about out in the nursery? Was there a plant out there that just stuck out to you? I always like to hear from you guys, so comment below. And just a quick reminder, I do carry a pretty full range of DIY products here in my shop, and I just wanted to let you guys know my DIY order with the new cottage colors is coming. It's scheduled on Monday. I won't be here Monday, so probably Tuesday, so stay tuned for that. And then of course I carry also Sweet Pickins milk paint and products, and some Roycycle Treasures decoupage papers, which I recently stocked up on those. I've got a lot of beautiful ones on my website right now. And then Redesign with Prima as well. And their new release is coming on Wednesday. So that will definitely be my video for you guys for Wednesday, is the full reveal of all of the cool stuff that just came out from Redesign with Prima. So I hope you'll join me back here for that. Anyway, until then, I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your weekend and beginning of the week. Thank you so much for joining me here for my tours. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed them. And I will see you guys back here on Wednesday for the product reveal. See you then. Bye.